On this assignment, you're going to do a 2D contour, but multiple depths. So go to File, Open, Open from my computer, and you are using number 9, 2D contour, multiple. Open. Let's change the orientation on this one. Check your document settings, inches. Let's go to Design, Manufacturer. It's in millimeters, change it to inches. Okay, let's set it up. Change the z-axis, flip it, and then model origin, and select uh, no additional stop. Click OK. All right, so for this one, I'm not going to show you a video, but I can give you a few hints on what to do. So you have two contours, this one and this higher depth, and then you have the bottom one, the deeper one. Okay, using the method that you learned from number 8, um, you're gonna do the same process, the same settings. You're just picking the correct contour. So when you set up the 2D contour, um, the geometry is what's important. I need you to cut this area first, and then you're going to cut this area, the bottom one. Okay, so do it in that manner and in that order. Again, settings are the same, the tools are the same, the cutting feed rate is the same, and that's it. Okay, save your work, make sure you show you, and that's it. Thank you.